Samsung rolls out stable One UI 7.0 update based on Android 15 for Galaxy S24 series. Samsung has officially released the long-awaited stable One UI 7.0 update for the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra. Based on Android 15, this update brings a refreshed design, smarter features, and upgraded Galaxy AI tools. Previously available in 7 countries through the beta program, the stable version, Build BYCG, first rolled out to beta users in South Korea. Now, it's set to expand to more countries soon. USA, April 10th. Canada, April 11th. Malaysia, April 14th. How to update. Updating is simple. Head to Settings, Software Update, download and install. Your phone will search for the latest update and install it if available. Important, if you're upgrading from One UI 6.1 or the One UI 7 beta, it's wise to back up your data. While updates are usually smooth, a backup is always a safe step when moving to a major new version. What's new in One UI 7.0? A refreshed interface with redesigned icons and menus, more customization in the quick panel and notification section, smarter Galaxy AI features for daily convenience, new tools like Now Bar and live activities for real-time updates, enhanced app performance, stronger privacy protections, and system improvements. Overall, One UI 7.0 is one of Samsung's most significant software updates to date, offering a better, faster, and smarter experience for Galaxy users, leaving Galaxy smartphone and tablet users feeling let down and impatient for new features. The delay has also raised questions about whether upcoming updates, such as One UI 8, will suffer the same fate. However, several reports indicate that Samsung is aiming to speed things up with One UI 8, which will be based on Android 16. It's even been suggested that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 will launch in the second half of the year, with Android 16 and One UI 8 right out of the box. Our insiders have confirmed that the next-gen foldables will indeed come preloaded with the newest Android and One UI version. If that turns out to be accurate, we can expect the One UI 8 update for current devices like the Galaxy S25 to arrive significantly earlier than the rollout of One UI 7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content.